How to move your pool table in Miami like a Bruce, Florida. Pool table moving is not a question of heavy furniture moving. It requires experience, expertise, and the right equipment to safely move your prized game room focal point. At Best Miami Movers, we have undertaken many pool table moves and know best how to make the experience hassle-free and stress-free. What is the best way to move a pool table in Miami? Pool tables are among the most heavy and fragile objects to relocate. The slate playing surface weighs several hundred pounds and will crack if not handled carefully. The felt covering cloth is sensitive to humidity and dirt, which can destroy the playing surface. And the frame and legs of the table usually have to be delicately taken apart and reassembled to prevent damage. Challenges unique to Miami pool table moves. In Miami's urban areas like Brickell, Coral Gables, and downtown spaces at a premium, maneuvering a bulky pool table through tight apartments, elevators, and narrow doorways requires precision and experience. How Best Miami Movers makes it easy. At Best Miami Movers, we have experience in relocating heavy, costly items like pool tables. Our trained crew knows every step of the process, from carefully breaking down the slate and frame to covering each item in padded blankets and custom covers. Moving a pool table in Miami is a challenge, but with the right team, it's completely manageable. Best Miami Movers combines local know-how, specialized tools, and trained crews to deliver a smooth, damage-free pool table move every time. Whether you're upgrading your space or relocating across town, trust us to handle your pool table like pros. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.